Chapter 45. Extra 1%. A racehorse that constantly runs just a second faster than another horse is worth millions of dollars more. Be willing to give that extra effort that separates the winner from the one in second place. When you look back on the year, what difference could that extra 1% have meant to your volume, your closing, and your pay packet? To some, maybe not a great deal, but that can mean the difference between being good and being a winner. It's not the one thing you do 100% better than anyone else, but it's the 100 things you do 1% better than everyone else. Fact. That extra 1% on your tour, that extra 1% effort in your meet and greet and warm up, throughout your presentation and on your walking tour, that extra 1% of asking questions and more importantly listening. There are 100 things that a sales professional does in a sales day, and the difference is that a winner does every one of them 1% better. In motor racing, during the trials, the difference between first and 10th place on a starting grid is less than a second. Only a 3-minute lap, yet those 30 plus corners are taken in just under 1/100th of a second better by the winner. Take a look at yourself and see what you could do just 1% better to improve yourself. Take the 24-hour day, for example. If you picked up a book on self-improvement or timeshare and you were to study for just 1% a day, that's 14 minutes and 40 seconds, that's over 7 days a month of study. Over a year, that's more than one working week of your own personal studying on self-improvement, just 1% a day. Take the average tour time, extend that by 1% every tour. That's an extra 15 minutes a tour of being in front of someone selling or being at your desk waiting for the tour. How many extra sales could that be over the year? More than this year, fact. It's a choice, but the same people are at the top year after year. If you're not, think about that extra 1%. It's all it takes.